Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making crispy and chewy chocolate chip cookie. This is what they look like. Christmas and New Year just around the corner. Let's bake some cookies. I have uploaded 3 ingredients butter cookie and Italian hot chocolate recipe. The link will be in the description box below. And I'm showing how to store the cookie dough for months. Let's start. Here I have taken 113 gram of unsalted room temperature butter, that is half cup of butter. To melt the butter, I am keeping this in a microwave for 60 seconds. I am adding 100 gram, that is half cup of granulated sugar, and you need 150 gram, that is 3/4 cup of brown sugar. Take 1 cup of brown sugar and press it down with a spoon. Add half teaspoon of salt. Mix it for 2 minutes. If you don't have whisk, then you can use the wooden spoon to make this cookie. After mixing, add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 medium-sized room temperature egg. Mix it well. This is the consistency you get after adding the egg. Here I am adding 1 cup plus 1/4 cup of maida, that is 156 gram of all-purpose flour. Sift it well, then add half teaspoon of baking soda. I am adding 50 gram of milk chocolate and 50 gram of dark compound chocolate. The dark chocolate I am using, it doesn't have the bitter taste and has a mild sweetness. The dark chocolate will give that chocolatey taste and balance the sweetness, because here we are adding the white sugar, brown sugar, sometimes the sweetness will be too much. Fold the batter, blend it gently, no need to overmix the batter. This is the consistency you get. Now you have to cover this and keep it in a refrigerator for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes from the refrigerator, the cookie dough is set and you can easily handle it. Here I am using a tablespoon measuring spoon to get a equal size cookie balls. Now let this cookie ball set in a refrigerator for 20 minutes. This helps to bake evenly. After 20 minutes from the refrigerator, keep this ball on a baking tray. And you have to leave the space for the cookie to spread. Preheat the oven for 160 degrees for 10 minutes. After preheating, now keep the cookies to bake. For me, it took 13 minutes for the cookie to bake. Like I always say, bake it according to your oven and heating. Immediately after baking, the cookies will be very soft, so leave it in the same baking tray for 5 minutes. After that, shift it to a cooling rack or a wooden cutting board. Let it completely cool down. Crispy and chewy chocolate chip cookie is ready. To store the cookie dough for a long time, you have to freeze the cookie dough ball in a freezer for 2 to 3 hours. Then keep it in a Ziploc bag. And whenever you have a craving or your kids ask, just take it from a Ziploc and bring it into a room temperature, then bake. If your freshly baked cookie does not have that crunch after it's cooled down, then again keep it in a baking tray and bake it for few minutes according to your temperature. You will get that right crunch and chewy texture. Thanks for watching.